Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this pair of Ortho Comfort walking shoes to do a review. So let's open it up, look at the feature of the shoes, give them a try. Okay, let's open the box. Good looking shoe. Okay, let's take the papers out from the inside of the shoe so we can get a better look. Okay, let's take a look at the material of the shoe. The upper part of the shoe has a canvas material meant to be able to vent and allow your feet to breathe. Okay, this section here is designed to provide more ankle support and ankle protection. You have a heel cushioning, arch support, non-slip soles. Very lightweight. Okay, let's take a look at the inserts inside. It does have a orthotic insole. We'll take a closer look at that. Design. It has the hard TPU for enhanced arch support. Has these shock absorbing cushioning material for impact resistant. You have the deep heel cut out to keep your feet stabilized. Very soft and very pliable and comfortable. You have this raised foot massage here in the center of your arch to help relieve foot pressure and fatigue. So let's put this back in, try on the shoes, see how they feel. Very easy to put on. They feel very comfortable. I can feel that center arch support and massager feels very comfortable. The wide toe box really is a big comfort feature. I think these would be excellent for walking. These are very comfortable shoes, and I'm pretty picky about my shoes, so I think I could really enjoy walking in these shoes. So I highly recommend these Ortho walking shoes.